Hi, I'm Dr. Alex Katehakis, Clinical Director of Center for Healthy Sex. If you're in recovery from sexual addiction, you're likely very interested in restoring your erotic life to something shame-free and pleasurable. Are you confused about what healthy sex is? Are you concerned about how to involve your partner in a conversation about sex and sexuality? Would you like to reduce your shame when admitting to yourself what you really do and don't like sexually? If you can relate to any of these questions and are looking for help, consider our online coaching class based on my workbook, Sexual Reflections. During the course of this class, you and your coach will work together to look at your sexual behaviors and preferences, past and present. We'll examine your personal values and how they align with your sexual arousal template to create a sexual health plan. To learn more about our online psychoeducational class and see if it's right for you or your client, please call one of our skilled and compassionate intake counselors for a free, confidential consultation at 310-843-9902.